In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your photos right away. You can also select folders and look for your photos by hitting those three lines at the top left corner and picking the perfect source. After finding photo that you wish to add, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!